Hey everybody, did you know most of EVgo's revenue doesn't come from the sale of electricity? I've got EVgo's second quarter income statement pulled up right now, and you can see their revenue has pretty much 5x'd from where it was 1 year ago. But what if I told you most of this revenue growth didn't come from the sale of electricity? I've got the revenue breakdown pulled up, and you can see charging revenue from retail customers pretty much doubled over the past year, but we already saw their total revenue had 5x'd. So where's the extra $40 million coming from? It's actually coming from eXtend revenue, which provided EVgo with $33.3 million in the second quarter this year, an increase of 25,305% year over year. What in the world is eXtend, you might be asking, and luckily I have the answer for you. Through EVgo eXtend, EVgo provides hardware, design, and construction services for charging sites, as well as ongoing operations, maintenance, and networking and software integration solutions, while EVgo's customers purchase and retain ownership of the charging assets. For some eXtend customers, EVgo also provides grant application support and related services. In 2022, EVgo announced an eXtend deal with the Pilot Company to deploy up to 2,000 fast charging stalls that the Pilot Company will own and EVgo will build, network, operate, and maintain. Basically, EVgo is selling their charging hardware instead of owning it like they do with most of their charging stations. And for these customers buying the hardware, EVgo will take care of the installation, maintenance, networking, and the software the chargers are using. Now, because EVgo is generating revenue from the sale of hardware under eXtend, they're capturing a lot of revenue right off the bat, right when those customers are buying that hardware. This is a lot different from their traditional retail chargers, which EVgo owns, and they generate revenue from those from the sale of electricity. So there's no revenue coming in once that charger actually gets installed. It's all coming in over the years as more people use that charger and more electricity is sold to EV drivers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video.